Hey folks, welcome back. So just a quick little video on this Shimano ST-EF41 shifter brake lever combo. I had a viewer ask a question on how to service one of these things, and finally got one in, so thought I'd kind of dig into it and see what this thing was all about. First thing was just to access where the port for the cable replacement there, which is simple enough, just a little rubber plug there that you undo, and that's how you would replace your cable. So I saw two screws there on the underside to disassemble some portion of it, so I went ahead and just removed the whole assembly there, just try to disassemble it. And upon taking out the two screws, it's really, you have to disassemble the whole bottom end of it to access it, which basically it's kind of led me to believe this is not really a serviceable shifter. So if you were to actually get into it or broke it somehow, really your best option is going to be just to replace it. You know, after kind of really looking it over and everything as well, it's basically just all stamped steel with kind of a plastic covering. So, you know, honestly, I don't think the shifter, if you ever had issues with it, is really designed to be serviced. So I didn't really want to disassemble this one any further, just because it was on a repair that wasn't really anything to do with the shifter, and I didn't want to inadvertently go beyond the point of having to put a new one in there. So yeah, it's basically just a plastic lever and plastic bits and things. So if you were to having issues with one of these, my suggestion would be just to just bite the bullet and upgrade it to the next model up, which is the ST-EF41, which had several of these, which it's not a great lever, but it is, it's an all aluminum lever and body, and then the main cover there is removable with two little screws, and you can replace the cable or lube up the little paws there and the mechanisms and everything else. So that's the direction I would go, the old ST-EF41. So anyway, hopefully you found the video useful, and we'll see you guys next time.